Hi friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There is a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation's various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals too. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst the Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon, that's a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I will be your host on the WizBiz Talks. Friends, a very special guest today. A guest from one of the most reputed clubs in Rotary District 3141. Yes, friends, one of the most premier clubs, Rotary Club of Mumbai North Island. Friends, a Rotarian since more than 2 decades, Rotarian Danish Damija from Mumbai North Island is our guest on today's talk show. By profession, he's into writing instruments. He's into the profession of writing instruments. A die-hard positive person, demonstrates honesty, integrity, and trust in actions to establish credibility in all his endeavors. Zeal is keyword and attitude defines attitude is his motivational slogan. Leadership, persuasive, and convincing abilities have helped him professionally and otherwise. Always likes to be in company of positive and inspiring people, including Rotarians, and adaptable to changing circumstances while making friends with ease. A family man with deep-rooted Indian values and commitments. A burning desire for community service with empathy towards the underprivileged. Friends, with a short introduction, I present before you a Rotarian with lot of integrity, a Rotarian with lot of self-respect, a Rotarian with no nonsense attitude, a Rotarian with positivity flowing out of it. Yes, friends, none other than Rotarian Danish Damija. Here it is for you, friends.
Thank you, Manish, for your very kind words about me, and namaste to all, and greetings from me to all my dear friends, Rotarians, and everybody around.
Danish, it's absolute pleasure to have you with us over here. Danish, just to let you know that this talk show is being recorded. And once this is recorded, this talk show is going to be sent to all the vision presidents. It is going to be sent to all the Rotarians of District 3141. It might be going to many Rotarians outside the district. And there are going to be too many non-Rotarians who are going to be viewing this show. So you understand that you are going to be a source of inspiration, motivation to many others who are going to be watching this show. You are my celebrity for the day. But you have got many, many, many responsibilities. I hope you understand that you are going to be the president for Rotary Club of North Island. It is one of the best clubs in District 3141. You are a Rotarian with almost 2 decades of experience with you. But when you are going to lead such a club, you know that you have to prove yourself and you have to keep the name of the club high as it has been known in the district itself. So with this short introduction, I would now like to proceed with our interview. Are you ready for it?
I'm definitely ready for you. Thank you so much.
So Danish, we have met quite a few times in our training meets. I have spoken to you quite a few times. We've interacted on social media too. But myself and many others would like to know something more about you on personal front and something about you, about your family also, please.
Well, ancestrally, we are from a Sikh family. You know, my great grandfather was a Sikh, But there's a tradition, that over the period of time, because of the war that took place, many of the Sikhs were converted into non-Sikhs also. Then my grandfather, he was a freedom fighter, and he fought for the country. So much so that he was in same jail where Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev, they were hanged. And the kind of sentiments that prevailed that time, that if one Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev is hanged, there are many more who will be born after them. So my father's name also was kept after Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev. My father's name is late Shri Sukhdev Raj Thamija. So there's a legacy, in the family. Um, Later on, he was also the recipient of Tamra Patra by the government of India, which is one of the highest award which is given to a freedom fighter, so to say. My father, he also was one of the pioneers into the manufacturing of plastics items in Delhi. Later on, he forayed into the film industry and made a couple of films. Now I had the option whether should I be going into the professional industry or should I be, taking some other kind of foray. So my father then, advised me that I think you should go into learning business as a young entrepreneur. Then I happened to meet, a very dynamic person, Mr. E.K. Jain, was chairman of Luxor at that time. Yeah. So we had instant liking for each other, and I started my career with him in the company Luxor Writing Instruments, Luxor Pen Company at that time it was. And from that time onwards, I took him into sales and marketing and continued my foray into the business fraternity like that.
So, writing instruments, Danish, is a very noble job, a noble profession, and
Yes.
I would definitely compliment you for the decisions that you have taken.
Yeah, yeah.
Danish, we would also like to know something about your family because when I see your DP, it looks like such a lovely, happy family. I want to know, we all want to know something about your family.
Well, thank you for that. Yes, the DP consists of my family, my daughter, my mother, my lovely wife, and my younger brother. We are a joint family basically, and my mother, very emotional, nice, sweet. Yet she's very tough lady when it comes to it, helping out, giving moral support to the entire family. And same goes for my lovely wife, and she's very keen to support me in all the endeavors during the coming vision years. And she's also working the field of education for the underprivileged, serving in a school. Yeah. And my daughter Devika, and my wife is studied from Lucknow, from La Martinez School, where she was a head girl. So she already has that leadership qualities in her, so which she has inculcated, and she supports me to giving her tips to me sometimes.
So, presidential year is supposed to be very important, and you having such a supportive wife, such a strong mother, and a lovely supporting family with you, such a lovable family. This is going to be a huge support for you in your presidential year too. And for any successful presidential year, you alone are not capable to do things because if there is someone at home supporting you, it makes a huge difference. Apart from
Yes.
your BOD, apart from your core team, this is the most important thing
Also,
to require.
let me also put about my daughter. She's Her name is Devika, and she has just been in the smart year. She has been an RY student. Yeah, and she's been to Denmark, Copenhagen, where she spent almost 1 year. She's coming this month end back, and she's participated in the smart year from our club, Mumbai North Island, and we're thankful to Rotary for giving this opportunity. And this is what Rotary is all about. It makes young leaders, and she's inculcated all the kind of you know uh, personality change that we see in her. We see that she inculcated the leadership qualities, and I am sure that she'll evolve into a formidable leader herself in her own right going forward, as the righteousness of the Rotary ideology, with the four-way test that she has been imbibed of.
Fantastic, fantastic. I know that with your daughter over there during the COVID times, you all would have gone through some stress and some difficult times too. But yes, Rotary is there and Rotary helps you out in circumstances. And strongly bonded family overcomes all these challenges over a period of time. Danish, this was about your personal life. Very happy to hear about all those things. We heard a bit about your profession, but just to tell you that what was one of the reasons to initiate WizBiz Talks. WizBiz Talks means Vision Business Talks. We want Rotarians to have more reasons to stay in Rotary. We want Rotarians to have more reasons to contribute in Rotary. And that is the reason what we have started this year, an initiative where we let you speak about your profession, your work to all the Rotarians. And we'll be more than happy. We'll be more than happy if 100 more people come and join hands with you in your businesses and you flourish and you bloom further and you do much better in your work, because I know any and every person who is a member of Rotary today and who follows the four-way test and is so transparent and so ethical and so much with integrity, if he earns more, he's going to give more. And our final aim is to support the needy, to support the community. And if you get benefited more by one way or other, by your transparent businesses, you are bound to give more in return to the community, and that is what we want. The
True.
second thing is Rotarians have always been born either personally or through Rotary projects or Rotary works. Why not convert this entire family into a small, close-knit family where everyone even works with each other? So that could be very acceptable, and it could be a win-win situation for everyone. So this is the basis of the WizBiz Talks, and I'm so happy and glad that our DG Sunil Mehra didn't hesitate a second to permit us to go ahead with this WizBiz Talks. Thanks so much to him for
No
the
doubt.
support. So now I would also like you to say something more about your business, which would one help many others to either tie up with you or help you to tie up with others if you get some proposals, so that finally it should benefit and be a win-win.
I'm sorry, I didn't get the point. Business point, what did you say? Sorry.
So we want you to speak about what your business is and let people know. And we'll be more than happy if people want to tie up with you or you want to tie up with various people. We just want to be a platform through which you can link to many.
Oh, we manufacture writing instruments. The Luxor brand, the Parker brand, the Pilot brand that we are manufacturing, and we have also some metal range of pens. Which are our specialty, which are exported to many countries as well, available in the local market. So writing instruments, we have in Noida and in Hardwar, we have factories we manufacture sketch pens, highlighters, markers, fiber tip pens. So all kinds of pens that are made, because it's one of the pioneers into writing instrument industry. So yeah.
I think so. With your profession, there are very high chances that you could also be supporting Rotary through your profession also.
If I'm able to, yes, why not?
We keep doing so many camps and projects for the underprivileged children. I think so. You would also be more than pleased if you get an opportunity to serve the community through your profession.
Yes, of course. Yes, of
And
course.
if those Rotarians who are listening to this now can definitely approach Danish with his consent that I have taken now. If at all you want to partner with Rotary Club of Mumbai North Island or with Danish in certain projects pertaining to education or to art, where they can definitely be on some support to you. So this is what Rotary is all about.
True.
Use your vocation to support Rotary. Now, Danish, coming to the most important part of today's talk, and that is your tenure as president for Rotary Club of Mumbai North Island in the year 2021. You know your club is 10 notches higher than many others, and you also are aware that your club has a reputation to maintain. You have a reputation to maintain, and you have to reach to that level to ensure that your club's flag is flying high all the time.
True.
Let us know about your plans that you have taken up for the year 2021. One. Second, how are you going to counter the COVID problems to ensure that your club keeps doing more? Has there been a change of ideas and converted too many projects to COVID projects also till the time things normalize and then you can go on to your pre-decided plans? So all yours, please let us know something about this.
When you introduced me to say that I am a very die-hard positive person. So there could be COVID or no COVID. Our attitude is to go to the community and serve to the best of our ability. And of course, for that, you need to have a program, which we have in plenty to, go in, out. And one thing, which is a very important thing, which I would request and which I would say, rather, I should say, that I want to kindle the spirit of Rotary into each member, because the question of membership retention will not arise at all. You see, what happens is, if I'm able to convey it properly, the spirit of Rotary is very important, which we see that people who want to join in Rotary, right, they need to see what our Rotary is doing, which is one part. And we discuss about membership retention, which is one other part. Now, our retention of the members is basically the spirit of Rotary, if inculcated in all the members through our programs, So we have, the question of retention will not be there. Everybody will be inclined to be with the club. And also many other, I'm getting feelers now for many members. I want to join your club. Because a lot of work Rotary is doing. I want to join your club. Which area you stay in? So I stay in that area. Why did you join in that area? So all this is happening because of late, because of the Rotary work, many, citizens have come to know what Rotary has done for the community. So that has instilled a kind of a desire to join Rotary. So that is one thing, kindling the right flame into the members concerned, making new members join in, and also because of the positivity in us, we will not take COVID into the consideration. You see, even after COVID, we can see the Zoom meeting has taken place. Meeting, everybody is connected to each other, business people, all fraternity. I mean, they have just surpassed. They are not at all now bothered about this COVID thing. No doubt, health is first. That's the first priority. But still, business as usual is going on through our connectivity, through a Zoom or whatever challenge, whatever the method that can be. So, yeah.
I agree, Danish. And you would also know that we had planned 4 major projects for the year on the first 4 days. We have Bagban, where we are planning to have 2 million people to be fed right from 1st of July to 31st of July. We have Annapurna, sorry. We have got Bagban, where we are going to have care for the elders. We've got tree plantation. And we are also going to be doing blood donation at places where it is possible. So these are the 4 projects with which we will be starting the year. Annapurna for 2 million meals. I hope you are aware that
Yes,
Mera is the person who had in 1415 initiated, thought of, conceptualized and executed Annapurna to feed the hungry. So it was the ideal thing to do on the day he starts his year as a governor for 2021, is that we should start with Annapurna for feeding the hungry. So this year we didn't want to start it on one particular day in a month or only on the first day. The first entire month, July month, we are going to be feeding 2 million people. I will send the details soon on the WhatsApp. You will come to know who is the person to be connected with.
sure.
Please connect with the district project director who is responsible for that. But as we in the district are planning, same way, the way, if you all keep doing the projects well, this year Rotary has given you all multiple projects in hand.
True.
We have a blueprint ready. The visionary and impactful projects are the newest of projects which were never there in the district ever since the time Rotary started in District 314 or 3141 now. These have all been initiated, conceptualized over past 1.5, 2 years, and we have the complete blueprint ready. All these visionary and impactful projects will be sent to you. Choose and pick the project, ask us for the blueprint, and you will find you are able to do any of the project that you want.
Marvelous, yes.
Just like you, we've got huge expectations. And with you at the helm of affairs, I'm sure none of the expectations is going to fall short. You're going to excel more than anyone else's expectations. You are a person of word, you are a person of integrity, and you believe in empowering others. This is what we need as a president. This is what we need from a leader of such an illustrious club. Danish, I'm so happy that you took out time on this day to come on a TV interview with us on this talk show. We were really thrilled to have you here. I'm so happy that we had a lovely discussion. I hope it was fruitful for you too. And the effects of this interview will come once this is broadcasted to various places and you start getting calls either for personal front, people want to be friends with you, or on Rotary front, people want to do projects with you, or on business front, where people want to do business with you. In any of these things, even if it can make 10% of a difference, we'll feel that this interview was.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
So thank you so much, Danish, for your time. And we have loved every moment.
Thank you to you too, Dr. Manish. I have loved it also very much. And as I was mentioned to you earlier, that you yourself are an inspiration.
Thank you so much. Pleasure having you.
Same here. Same here. Thank you.